Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video we're going to be we'll be reviewing the Iraya products that I got like almost about a month back from Nykaa. I had posted this picture on my Instagram account about 3 or 4 weeks back. So I wanted to use these products properly so that I could review them for you and not just buy and review them immediately. And that's the reason why I waited for 2 to 3 weeks so I could figure out how each of these products actually work on my skin. Now I have a combination skin type. That means my T-zone this area is oily and the rest of my face is normal to dry. So I'd seen a few other YouTubers and bloggers use Iraya products, so that is the reason I got them, and I got them from Nykaa. The prices and everything are mentioned in the description box below, and I got a variety of these products. Like I got a face mask, I got massage cream, I got this oil control cream, I got an acne face mask, and so just so that I could get an idea of the brand as a whole. Now this brand is completely Ayurvedic and they do not have any added parabens or added fragrance to it, and it is completely all the good things that would make you want to buy the Iraya products, and that is why I bought them. So without wasting any more time, let's start reviewing these products. So the first thing that I got is this Iraya Saffron Elixir. Now this is a gel-based cream which is perfect for oily skin. It has real saffron strands in there. So, saffron is expensive. Expensive things going on my face, and my face is liking it. So saffron is expensive, guys. I mean, saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the entire world. And to get saffron in your cream on your face is like... Anyways, that's not the only reason why I love this cream. I like it because it is water-based, it dries off easily, and for those of you who do not like a lot of sticky moisturizers or very chipku kind of moisturizer on your face, and if you have oily skin, this one is amazing. Now, this one is a little expensive, but I figured this works amazingly well on my skin because I have an oily T-zone and I do not like to use a lot of sticky moisturizers on my face, especially because I live in Bombay and Bombay is very humid, so it gets really very very sweaty in Mumbai. So I like to use something that is very matte and that can last all day without my T-zone getting oily. And I've been using this every day now because it helps in preventing your skin getting oily throughout the day. Also, in case if you're wondering what happens to the saffron strands when you apply it on your face, they actually melt into your skin. I'm not even kidding. This is really good. I mean, those of you who have sensitive skin, those of you who have oily skin, this is a perfect mattifying day cream for you guys. So next thing that I got is this V-Germ facial massage cream. Now this one is for normal to dry skin. I have been using this as my moisturizer. Like I have used it quite a few times, not on a regular basis, not as regular as I use my Saffron Elixir. This one is a little thick in consistency. I think I'm gonna start using this moisturizer soon because even this is not very sticky or tacky. It dries off, even though it has that hydrating effect on your face, on your skin, but it is not very sticky, which is perfect for this climate. I haven't really used this a lot, I would be honest with you guys, because I'm so obsessed with my Saffron Elixir at the moment that I haven't really had the chance to use this. But I have used it like quite a few times as my moisturizer when I'm applying my makeup, but I know I'll start using this once I'm done with my Saffron Elixir. So this cream is recommended for somebody who has normal to dry skin. Alright, so the next is this Purifying Wild Lime face wash. Now as you can see, I have used quite a bit of this face wash. In fact, this is the face wash that I've been using on a regular basis. I do not use any face wash, I do not use anything apart from Medimix soap because I've been using Medimix since I was in my college, and that is when I had like a lot of acne on my face. So I used Medimix and Medimix actually helped me a lot, and since then I have been using only Medimix. I am just too scared to you experiment on my face. But I got this face wash because it was Ayurvedic, and since the day I've been using this, Medimix will dry out your skin, but this one doesn't dry out your skin. It does not foam either, so there's not a lot of foam when you're washing your face with this face wash, but it leaves your skin feeling really fresh and hydrated. And I would also add a point that it actually helps with, I don't know, somehow I feel that my complexion is much more brighter, feel really fresh, and my skin is really vibrant and glowing when I use this face wash. And I'm not kidding, and that is the reason I've used quite a bit of this product, even though you just need like literally this much of product on your face to wash it, because it's really thick and this one works really well. I mean, so far I'm really impressed with all the products that I've gotten from Iraya, and I will definitely buy them again. So the final product that I got from Iraya is this acne face mask, and it comes in this pouch, in this bottle. This is actually bone china kind of a material, or mitti ka kullad kind of a thing. This is the packet that it comes in. Just yesterday I posted a mini review of this face mask on my Instagram account. You can just head over to my Instagram account and check it out. So what this mask actually is, it's like all the good jadi booties in the country mixed together and packed in this one pouch. It smells a little bit of Kayam Churan, just a little bit, not too much, because otherwise I wouldn't have applied it on my face. It says on the box here that you're supposed to clean the affected area, mix the powder in water to form a very thin paste, and apply without rubbing it in. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. You can also use it overnight. Now, what I did was, I had a lot of redness on my skin, especially on this area. I could see some really upcoming acne breakouts on my skin, so that is the reason I thought I would give this a go. Now, I really did not think that it did a lot on my face. It did reduce the redness. I like it for that. Those tiny pimples were there on my face and it didn't really help me with that. Maybe I should have used it for a bit longer, because I used it only for like 10 to 15 minutes and it did dry. It was just semi-dry when I washed it off, so I should have probably used it for a bit longer to see the effects of it. And you literally have to use like a teaspoon, not even a tablespoon, just a teaspoon, and make a very thin kind of a paste. You can see the tutorial on my Instagram account of the way how you're supposed to use it, and you're supposed to let it dry on your face for around 20 minutes. That's what the pack says. Also, you can use it overnight. So I am planning to use this overnight, because so far I am impressed with all the Iraya products, to be honest, and I just want to give this a face pack a go again. This is just my experience that I'm telling you guys. You can go ahead, give Iraya products a try. They have a variety of products. You can go check it out online on Nykaa. Also, you can check it out at those beauty aggregate stores near you, especially if you're in Bombay. You can check out your beauty center stores or beautiful stores. They might have Iraya products. So all in all, if you ask for my review, I am in love with the saffron elixir. I'm gonna buy it again. The Veechum facial mask is good if you have normal to dry skin. It's not very sticky on your face. It actually hydrates your skin without that sticky moisturizer, sticky kind of a thing. And the face wash is like my go-to thing these days. I use this regularly. So unless I find better products than Iraya, I think I'm gonna stick to these and probably just try out and experiment with some more of their range. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this video and share it amongst your friends, because sharing is caring. And also let me know how you like the review, and please let me know if there's any point or any category that I did not touch upon in this video, and I'd like to cover those points up in other reviews that I do in future. So yeah, that's it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.